Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about one of the brilliant features that Google Notebook LM has rolled out quite recently, which is making videos using Notebook LM. I'm going to show that in a minute. So the very first thing that we like to know is Notebook LM's new video overview feature is a significant addition that transforms your uploaded documents and content into narrated slide videos with AI generated visuals. It is designed to make complex information more digestible and engaging, especially for visual learners. So if you are someone who likes to, you know, watch videos, watch presentations, watch slides, then Notebook LM is going to help you a lot because once you upload sources, documents or videos, it is going to create a nice video file for you and you can watch the video to understand or grasp the concepts easily. So here is an overview of the feature and its key benefits. You upload various sources to Notebook LM, PDFs, Google Documents, web pages, YouTube videos, audio files. The AI powered by Gemini 2.0 analyzes this content. With this new video overview feature, you can instruct Notebook LM to generate narrated slide videos from your source material. So once you upload all these documents, PDF files, Google Documents, web pages, YouTube files, you can create a narrated slide video from your source material. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to ChatGPT and show you in live. Okay, so let me go to ChatGPT first. So I'm going to ChatGPT. Let's say since we are in IT industry, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give some information about ping command. Okay, I would like to learn about ping command in networking. Please create, let's say 20 minutes podcast with all real time scenarios and necessary ping troubleshooting outputs. Okay, now I'm going to hit enter and see how it goes. Okay, it says here is a detailed script for a 20 minutes podcast episode on the ping command in networking. So it has generated a nice script for us. So what I'm going to do is let me copy this. Let me copy all these things. I'm going to show how beautiful it is. Okay, I'm going to copy all these things. Okay, I've copied it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going back to Notebook LM. I'll go back to Notebook LM. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new notebook here. Once you click on create new notebook, what I'm going to do is you have options to upload videos, PDF documents, Google Docs and many other things. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on copied text here and I'm going to paste the information that we have copied from ChatGPT. Okay, so we have all the details ready. Now I'm going to click on insert to create a notebook. So if you see now, it is creating a notebook. So it has created a notebook now. Now if you see on the right hand side of the screen, we have four options. So previously we had audio overview where we can create audio file or a podcast kind of scenario from the notebook. We can also create mind maps. Now if you see on the top right hand side, it has come up with a new feature. Google Notebook LM has rolled out this feature quite recently, with which we can generate videos from the information that we have uploaded in NotebookLM. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these three little dots. It says customize. See, if you want, what should the AI host focus on? So if you want to customize something, you can also customize from here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. I'm going to simply click on video overview so that it is going to generate complete information from this particular source. So it says generating video overview. This may take a while. So it is in the process of creating a video. At any point in time, if you want to customize the video, okay, all you need to do is click on these three little dots, click on customize, and you can say, okay, talk only about ping. Just give me some important steps. Don't go deep into ping. Just give me some important tips about ping command. So you can also customize the video according to your requirement so that Google Notebook LM will create video according to your requirement. So let's say, for example, you are working on two different sources. Okay, you are working on ping command document, and you are also working on maybe NSLOOKUP, okay, or netstat. You have uploaded these two documents. Now, before creating the video, you can simply say that create video only about ping. When you customize it, what it is going to do, it is going to create video only about ping. It is not going to create video about netstat or NSLOOKUP. So this way you can customize the video before creating it. Okay, now it says generating video overview. So this is going to take a couple of minutes, so we have to be really patient with this. Hi everyone. If you see now on the right hand side, the video file is ready. NotebookLM has created the video file. It took approximately 5 to 10 minutes to generate this file. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this file and I'm going to play and see how it goes. I'm going to maximize it.
Welcome to the Explainer. Today we are demystifying a command that can instantly tell you if the internet is actually down. You know that feeling? You're staring at a frozen screen wondering, is it my computer, my Wi-Fi, is the whole internet broken? Well, there's a simple tool that acts as a truth detector for your network, right? It's that classic, super frustrating moment. Your page won't load, your game is lagging, your video call just died, and the first thing you think is the internet down? Before you start frantically rebooting your router or unplugging every cord you can find, there's this simple, elegant little command that can give you your first real clue. So let me introduce you to the ping command. Think of it as your network's first responder. Before you get lost in a jungle of complex diagnostics, ping is your go-to tool. It's designed to ask one simple but absolutely vital question. Hey, is anyone out there listening? And honestly, the concept is as simple as a game of Marco Polo. Really. Your computer sends out a tiny digital signal, that's the Marco, to a server or a device you tell it to. Then it just sits and listens for a polo in response. If you get that reply, boom, you've got a connection. But if all you hear is digital silence, well, that's your first major clue that something's wrong. So what's the actual tech behind this little game? Well, that Marco signal is technically called an ICMP echo request. ICMP just stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. You can think of it as a special language computers use for quick status updates. And that polo that comes back, that's the ICMP echo reply. It's just the formal digital way of another machine saying, yep, I'm here, I hear you loud and clear. Now, getting a reply back is great news, for sure. But the real power of the ping command is hidden in the details. That text that flashes up on your screen, it's not just computer gibberish. It's a full-on diagnostic report, and it's packed with clues about the quality of your connection. So let's break down what it's telling. The lower the number, the simple enough. Next, and this is the big one, time. This is your round trip speed in milliseconds. For this, think like you're playing golf. The lower the number, the better. A low time means a fast, snappy connection. And finally, you have TTL, practical. How do you actually use this stuff? You feel totally cut off from the world. Is the problem my laptop, my router, my internet provider? Instead of just guessing and unplugging things at random, we can find out exactly where the break is with a few targeted pings. This troubleshooting path is just brilliant in its simplicity. First, you ping 127.0.0.1. That address is always your own
This is amazing, guys. It is also giving step by step on how to troubleshoot an issue. Let's continue.
computer. It's like talking to yourself. If you get a reply, your computer's network hardware is working. Great. Step 2, ping your router. That's usually something like 192.168.1.1. If that works, your local Wi-Fi is fine. Step 3, ping an IP address out on the internet, like Google's 8.8.8.8. If that works, you are definitely connected to the wider internet. So, what if all that works, but ping google.com by name fails? Aha! That means the internet's phone book, what we call DNS, is broken. See? In just 4 steps, you've pinpointed the exact.
This is brilliant, guys. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, the next issue is the internet is very slow. Your connection feels like it is wading through molasses. Ping can help. Let's see.
Slow. Your connection feels like it's wading through molasses. You guessed it. Ping can reveal exactly what's going on here, too. Remember that time value we talked about? Well, if you ping a server like 8.8.8.8 and you start seeing consistently high numbers, we're talking 650 milliseconds or more, that's your smoking gun. You can even prove it. If a ping to your local router takes just, say, 1 millisecond, but the ping to the internet takes 650, you've just proven the bottleneck isn't in your house. The slowdown is happening out there, on your provider's network somewhere. Oh, this one is the worst. It's so maddening. Your connection is perfectly fine 1 minute, and then, poof, it's gone the next. For a flaky, unstable connection like this, a single ping just isn't going to cut it. We need to watch it over time. So by using what's called a continuous ping, we can send packet after packet and see if any of them get lost along the way. When you stop the test, you get a summary. Seeing a result like 15% packet loss is the definitive proof you need. I'm seeing level up your ping game. We've already talked about T, which runs a continuous ping, but you could also use N to send a specific number of pings, like 20. -6 forces a failed ping does not always mean a device is off incoming pings. They just won't reply polo, even if they're up and working perfectly. So, if you ping a major server and get a request timed out error, don't just automatically assume it's down. The website might be totally fine. You have to remember, ping is an amazing diagnostic tool, but it's not the only tool in your toolbox. So just remember this. Ping isn't just a command. It's a truth detector for your network. The next time you're faced with that dreaded question, is the internet down? You don't have to guess anymore. You've got a plan. You've got a tool. And now you know how to find the answers. Thanks for joining us on The Explainer.
My mind is literally blown, guys. This is amazing. This is the best tool, AI tool that I came across in recent times. Now, let's say, for example, you are a student and you want to learn some concepts and you are a visual person, you want to watch the video, then upload the sources. It could be audio files, MP4, YouTube videos, PDF documents, and it is going to create an amazing video for you and you can watch it and understand. Here comes an interesting thing. If you are a writer, or if you are a project manager, or if you are a team leader working in some organization, and if you want to share some information, or if you want to do some knowledge transition to the new people who are joining in the organization, or your juniors or whoever it is, then you can upload your sources in your own language. NotebookLM is going to create a video for that, and you can share that video or the link to the people and they can learn from it. So this is really amazing, and this is the initial phase. This is the starting phase of Notebook LM, especially when it comes to videos. Imagine how it looks like in the next 1 year or two. Then maybe the version 10 or 15, it will be mind blown, guys. The beautiful thing is we have seen some powerful pictures, visuals in this particular video. We saw how it was, showing the ping outputs. It was showing some diagrams and all these kind of things, which are really important for people to watch and understand. So I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.